Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am super excited because my June Boxycharm box finally came in and I just want to literally rip this open. I'm super excited to see what is in here because this month's box looks pretty big. So I'm very excited. Before we get into talking about it, unboxing, blah, 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 make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love these kinds of makeup videos or tanning, just the girly things, then make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see my June Boxycharm unboxing, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, just like every other month that we've been doing this, you guys know already this is a surprise to me. I don't know what is in here. I'm super excited to see what I got because last month's box was really awesome. So I have already ripped the tape off of here, but I haven't opened it. So we're opening this together. Oh yay, okay, perfect. Because last month's box came in like an all black inside kind of thing. So I thought they changed up the packaging, but they didn't. So yay, because I love this hot pink on the inside. It just says Boxycharm and then it has the hashtag and the Instagram handle up top. And then I already see some really exciting products. So of course, as usual, we're just gonna take this cute little card right here and I'm gonna go in order of whatever it says on the card. I'll read it to you guys and then we'll see what happens. So, yay! Okay, the first product that is in the box is from Glamglow. It is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So exciting. It says an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. And it goes for $32. And that is the reason this box is so big. Look how huge this thing is. How many ounces is this? I need to know. 5 ounces, that's huge. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes. The standard Glamglow packaging, super cute. And then on here it just says the exact same thing. I'm actually really excited to try this out because I can never have too many products for when I'm breaking out and I just need something to fix me. So I'm gonna do just a little swatch back here. So it comes out literally like charcoal. It's like this like grayish black kind of thing. And then when I spread it out, okay, wow. It comes out literally like charcoal. It almost looks like they're masks. So that's really interesting actually. I was not expecting that, but super exciting. I am gonna use this today. Like when I'm taking my makeup off, I'm gonna use this and just see how I like it. So stay tuned for that, but I'm really excited. This is the first I'm hearing about Glamglow having this kind of cleanser. Maybe it's new, maybe it's not, but to me it is. And I love the concept of it, so super excited, and I'm definitely going to be using that. Next on our list, yes! Nars, oh my god, I freaking love Nars. It is the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I have a couple of these and I absolutely love them, you guys. They are so good. It says this cult favorite lip pencil instantly delivers the impact of a matte lipstick with the spontaneity of a pencil. The long-lasting, non-drying formula is enriched with vitamin E and emollients for a creamy texture that ensures seamless matte color for hours. And it goes for $27. And this stuff really is that amazing, you guys. Let me see what color I got. Dragon Girl. Okay, I was scared it was gonna be one of the ones I already have, but no, this is new. Oh, it's red. Yes. I have been needing a new red lip liner. This is stunning. And it goes on literally like butter, you guys. This, I already know that this is amazing because like I said, I have these. They are so good. I literally can't put into words for you how nice these are and how smoothly they go on and how long they last. Like this isn't even a first impression. I already know that this is amazing and so worth your money, but look at this swatch. Like the pigment on that is insane. So nice, and I'm so excited that it's red. I am going to be using this all summer long. And then next on our list, sorry, I got a little excited there. The next one is from Touch in Soul. That is a new brand to me. It's the Pretty Filter GLOWDIENT makeup palette. This multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient colors that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. And it goes for $34. So let me see. Okay, so that's this one. Super cute and summery packaging. Oh, I love this. This is super cute. This is really, really summery, and I love that the back is that like reflective gold. And then when you open it, ooh, this thing just fell out. I'm gonna take it out anyways though. This is nice. Look at this. I love the idea of this because if you use a small enough brush, you can like dip into each color that you want, or you can mix them all together and it'll probably create just like a really beautiful bronzy highlighted color. I want to see the pigment on them though because it better be good. They're really creamy to touch. Look at this. Wow. I'm gonna do a little swatch for you guys. Okay, so I swatched all of these and this is what they look like on my arm. All of them are super pigmented and super creamy to touch, and all are such beautiful colors. And then this last one down here is like a mixture of all of them. It's a really beautiful color, but it's really similar to like this middle shade right here. It's just a little tiny bit toned down from that. But wow, I have a feeling I'm gonna love these. I kind of want to put a little bit on my cheeks and see how it goes. I'm just gonna mix it all around because why not? So I'm gonna do a little swipe. A lot of fallout though, so be careful. But let's do a little. I already had some highlighter on my face, so I can't give you guys like a full-on review of it, but wow. From what I'm seeing, it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna have some fun with this. I love it. I love the feel of it. I love the look of all of the shades in here. So far, it's an A+. Next on our list, we have from Them Lala Beauty, also a new brand to me. It's the Grown Woman palette. It says, say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy, sunset-colored mattes and foiled shadows. It includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelid for long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. And this palette goes for $42. Wow, this is actually big. Okay, so maybe this is why this box was so big too. Oh, I love it. It's like a marble. It's like white and marble. This is really cute. Also a little plastic. Okay. I like what I see, and I love the names of these. Stepmom, The Wife, Boss Lady, Princess of Bel-Air, Cabo Kisses, Say Yes, I Do, The Ring, and Bridal Party. All right, swatches are done, and I definitely have some opinions. So here are the swatches, and if you guys are thinking what I'm thinking, they're not necessarily the most pigmented that I've seen or used, but the mattes kind of felt a little bit scratchy, I'll be totally honest. So I don't think I would consider them like buttery soft to the touch. Like I said, the foiled ones were softer to touch, but the mattes, not so much at all, I would say. Again, I really do like the colors, and I love that they're not too in your face, because you guys already know I like a more natural kind of makeup look, so this could probably work for me. But I just wish there was a little more pigment in them. Like I was expecting when I swatched these, especially Cabo Kisses in the middle, I was expecting a lot more pigment, but this is what I got from that one, which is like a very just muted down kind of reddish coppery shade. So we'll have to see. I might just like, let me see if I can, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of Bridal Party down here and see what that looks like. It's not like very, very pigmented, but it comes off really pretty. So I really can't complain. I actually do like that. I'll I'll have to keep working with this though and see how I feel as the time goes on, because these swatches, I don't know. But then again, I'm also the kind of person that says swatches mean nothing as long as they look good on your eyes, which I feel like this shade did, but definitely not very pigmented, that I will say. So keep that in mind about this one. And then the last product that we have is from JECCA BLAC, also a new brand to me, and it is the Hydrate Primer. It says, finally a moisturizer that will help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. And this goes for $20. I love this. I love that so many brands are doing like this kind of packaging, like the little tube with this little screw at the bottom. I think it's really cute. I love it. And then let me see. It says it's vegan friendly, cruelty free, which we all love. And then when I take it out of here, let's do a little swatch on my hand and see how it feels. No smell really, so that is good. Ooh, okay. So it feels really, really lightweight. It's not thick or heavy or cakey, which I really like. Super easy to blend out. And I honestly do feel like it was hydrating to my hand. I didn't have any lotion on me. I know I was a little crusty there, but this, I would say, hydrated my hand, and it has a little bit of a sticky feeling to it, I would say, which is good if it's working as a primer, I think. So far I am impressed. Of course though, with a primer, it's kind of hard to tell just from rubbing it into my hand, but I like what I see so far. So those are all 5 products, you guys. I'm actually really excited about this box. I feel like everything in here was really impressive. The only thing that I'm a little bit kind of 50-50 on is that eyeshadow palette, but I need to work with it a little bit more and play around with it to see what it actually does for me. But everything else, oh my god, like this highlight on my face. I don't want to take my makeup off. I'm loving this. And I'm super excited that I got one of these because I cannot even describe my love of these to you guys. Just everything. Let's just say that. Everything is super exciting in here. Loved this box. But anyways, yes, that is all I have for today's video. Comment and let me know what you guys thought of what I got in my box. Of course, let me know if we got the same things in our boxes, if we're Boxycharm twins. And if we didn't get the same thing, comment and let me know what came in yours, because I'm interested in that too. So comment, just say hello. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. And please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, it would mean the absolute world to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.